Hello guys, welcome back. Looking to dive into top 5 budget-friendly DSLRs for photography enthusiasts in 2025? Without breaking the bank, there are plenty of budget-friendly DSLRs offering impressive features and image quality. Here are the affordable DSLRs perfect for beginners and enthusiasts who want to capture stunning shots without spending a fortune. For more information, like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe our channel. And let's get started. Number 5. Canon EOS 200D Mark II/SL3. The Canon EOS 200D Mark II, also known as the Rebel SL3, is a compact DSLR designed for aspiring photographers and content creators. Weighing just 449 grams, it's one of the lightest DSLRs on the market, making it perfect for everyday shooting and travel. Equipped with a 24.1 megapixel APS-C CMOS sensor and Canon's Digic 8 image processor, the camera delivers crisp, vibrant images with remarkable detail and clarity. Its dual-pixel CMOS AF offers fast and accurate autofocus, especially in live view mode, while eye detection AF ensures beautifully sharp portraits. The vari-angle touchscreen makes shooting from creative angles effortless, and 4K video recording lets you produce high-quality content with ease. With built-in Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, sharing photos and videos is seamless. Whether you're snapping stunning landscapes, filming vlogs, or capturing family moments, the EOS 200D Mark II is a smart, lightweight choice for incredible results. Number 4. Pentax K70. The Pentax K70 is a powerful DSLR designed for adventurous photographers who demand exceptional performance in any environment. With a 24.2 megapixel APS-C CMOS sensor and prime MII image processor, it delivers stunning image quality, vibrant colors, and low-light clarity with ISO sensitivity up to 100/2400. The K70 features in-body shake reduction and a weather-sealed body that resists dust, cold, and moisture, making it perfect for outdoor shooting in unpredictable conditions. Equipped with a vari-angle LCD screen, built-in Wi-Fi, and advanced hybrid autofocus, the K70 allows seamless framing, sharing, and fast focusing for both stills and Full HD 1080p video. Its pixel shift resolution system further enhances detail and color accuracy, while the anti-aliasing filter simulator adds creative flexibility. Whether you're capturing mountain landscapes, nighttime cityscapes, or fast-moving wildlife, the Pentax K70 is your reliable partner for uncompromising image quality and rugged dependability in the field. Number 3. Canon EOS 800D/Rebel T7i. The Canon EOS 800D, also known as the Rebel T7i, is a powerful DSLR camera designed for both budding photographers and enthusiasts seeking excellent image quality and user-friendly functionality. Equipped with a 24.2 megapixel APS-C CMOS sensor and Digi-C7 image processor, it delivers vibrant, detailed photos and Full HD 1080p video at 60 frames per second. The 45-point all-cross-type autofocus system ensures fast and accurate focus, perfect for capturing fast-moving subjects. Its dual-pixel CMOS AF provides smooth and responsive autofocus in live view and video modes, while the 3.0-inch vari-angle touchscreen LCD makes shooting from any angle intuitive and fun. Built-in Wi-Fi, NFC, and Bluetooth let you share images instantly and control the camera remotely via smartphone. With a user-friendly interface and guided modes, the EOS 800D makes advanced photography accessible to all. Lightweight yet robust, it's the perfect companion for capturing life's moments with clarity and creativity. Number 2. Canon EOS 77D. The Canon EOS 77D is a powerful DSLR camera designed for enthusiasts ready to elevate their photography. Featuring a 24.2 megapixel APS-C CMOS sensor and Digi-C7 image processor, it delivers stunning image quality, fast autofocus, and impressive low-light performance. The 45-point all-cross-type AF system ensures precise subject tracking, while dual-pixel CMOS AF provides smooth and responsive focus during live view and video shooting. Its vari-angle 3.0-inch touchscreen LCD offers flexible shooting angles, making it ideal for vlogging, selfies, and creative compositions. With built-in Wi-Fi, NFC, and Bluetooth, sharing your images and remote control of the camera is quick and easy. The EOS 77D supports Full HD 1080p video recording at 60 frames per second, offering high-quality video for aspiring content creators. Ergonomically designed with intuitive controls, it bridges the gap between beginner and advanced photography. Whether capturing stills or video, the Canon EOS 77D is your gateway to professional results. Number 1. Canon EOS 90D. The Canon EOS 90D is a powerful DSLR camera that combines speed, precision, and high-resolution imaging for enthusiasts and professionals alike. Featuring a 32.5 megapixel APS-C CMOS sensor and Digic 8 image processor, it delivers stunning image quality and fast performance. Capture action-packed moments with up to 10 frames per second continuous shooting, or shoot crisp 4K UHD video without a crop for cinematic results. With a 45-point all-cross-type autofocus system and dual-pixel CMOS AF in live view, focusing is fast, accurate, and smooth. The EOS 90D also boasts a bright optical viewfinder, a fully articulating 3.0-inch vari-angle touchscreen LCD, and built-in Wi-Fi and Bluetooth for seamless sharing. Perfect for wildlife, sports, portraits, and vlogging, the Canon EOS 90D offers creative flexibility in a robust, weather-sealed body. Whether you're capturing stills or videos, this camera empowers you to shoot with confidence and precision every time. So guys, that's all for the Top 5 budget. Friendly DSLRs for photography enthusiasts in 2025. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe our channel for more videos. We will meet in next video. Till then, take care, bye.